Ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. The kidneys are a vital organ that helps filter waste and excess fluids from the body. However, over time, they can become overloaded with toxins and other substances, leading to kidney damage or disease. To help keep your kidneys healthy, it's important to detox and cleanse them regularly. Here are 7 natural ways to do just that. Drink plenty of water. One of the best things you can do for your kidneys is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keep the kidneys functioning properly. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider adding some lemon or lime for extra flavor and cleansing benefits. Eat kidney-friendly diet. Certain foods can be hard on the kidneys, so it's important to choose your diet carefully. Foods that are high in salt, sugar, and animal protein can be especially problematic. Instead, focus on eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources like fish or tofu. Cut back on alcohol and caffeine. Both alcohol and caffeine can be hard on the kidneys, so it's a good idea to cut back or eliminate them from your diet altogether. If you do choose to indulge, be sure to drink plenty of water to help flush out the toxins. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is not only good for your overall health, but it can also help keep your kidneys functioning properly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Try herbal remedies. Certain herbs, such as dandelion root, ginger, and parsley, are believed to have kidney cleansing properties. You can brew these herbs into a tea or take them in supplement form. However, be sure to check with your doctor before starting any new herbal remedies. Get plenty of sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for overall health and can also help your kidneys function properly. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Try herbal teas. Herbal teas have been used medicinally for thousands of years for everything from weight loss to a full body detox. Herbal teas are often loaded with antioxidants which provide anti-inflammatory effects among other cleansing benefits. Studies found that they can even reduce the risk of developing kidney stones as well. Take the right vitamins and supplements. Just as the lungs need oxygen, your kidneys require proper vitamins and nutrients as well in order to keep them functioning properly. Vitamin B6 studies found that this vitamin reduces calcium oxalate, which ultimately reduces the risk of developing kidney stones. Andrographis studies suggest that this herb contains properties that can be beneficial in reducing the toxic effects that occur from alcohol consumption. More research is needed in this area, but preliminary findings are promising. Avoid artificial sweeteners. You may have already swapped processed sugar for artificial sweeteners as a way to be healthier and consume fewer calories. Reduce stress. Stress can take a toll on the body, including the kidneys. To reduce stress, try practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. In conclusion, there are many natural ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys. By following these tips, you can help keep your kidneys healthy and functioning properly for years to come. Remember to always consult with your doctor before starting any new detox or cleansing regimen, especially if you have a history of kidney problems or are taking medication.